Cracking Graph Search Ninja. Hey guys, in this particular video, we're going to share one of the smartest and fastest ways to build your target market of friends, and in turn build your business through the power of Facebook. I'm talking about the use of Facebook Graph Search. So what can we do using Facebook Graph Search? As I told you, this is one of the smartest ways to search and build your target market. You can have as many as 5,000 targeted friends. Now, listen to this particular word, targeted friends. These are not like any friends. These are people from your target market, and you can build them within 90 days using this technique. Facebook Graph Search functions continue to evolve almost every month as they keep on tweaking and testing things. There's a chance at the moment you're listening to this, they might have already done some changes. The good news is, the principles always remain the same. So once you follow this training, you can duplicate your own business based on this, and the basics are going to be the same. So with that, let's quickly jump into this example, personal Facebook account. Look in this particular portion of the screen, where Search Facebook is written. This particular portion is known as the Graph Search area. So once I search anything, for example, I search make money online. The moment I type this word, we see that there are a lot of search results given to us by Facebook. You can see all these groups comprising of 4,000, 7,000, 20,000, and all these huge numbers of people. So with a single search, I'm exposed to millions of people inside Facebook, and then the good thing is that all these people are all in the same target market of making money online, which means that either these people are already making money online or they're looking for a way to make money online. And guess what? Statistics say that 98% of people are struggling to make money online. They're either making $0 to less than $100 per month. So we have a huge pool of people whom we can help, whom we can train, whom we can give value, and in turn build our business. So let me try to go inside in any one of these groups. Now, once I click over here, you can see there are these numbers of people who are in this particular group. And the good thing is that some groups will be open, which means we can join them directly. Some will require you to sign up in the group for free, and then the admin will accept your request. And if I click on these members straight away, it will take us to this page with a list of all the members who are in that particular group. Some of them are already friends with this example account. It'll show me others and give us options to add them as friends as well. Now, the good thing is, you can be sure all of the people inside this group are into making money online. Now I can connect to them and start adding 15 to 20 people a day, and I can start building my target market. This is one way. The other way is a pretty little ninja trick that does not require us to visit a particular group. For example, we search for the same keyword, make money online, but we don't actually click on any group. What we do is make an actual search, where we click this magnifying glass search icon here. And once we make a search, Facebook will automatically show us the top, latest, people, photos, videos, pages, places, groups, apps, and events. We can click on people, and Facebook will exactly show us all the people who are having the name Make Money Online or whose interest area are into making money online. Clicking on videos would show us the videos with Make Money Online themes around them. Obviously, the people who make those videos are interested in the subject. This is the same when you click on photos. You are taken to photos that are related to the subject. And again, the people behind these photos are engaged to that subject as well. So with a single click, we're exposed to all these people. So what can we do instead of adding them? I can send them a direct message saying, hey, your profile shows that you also like making money online like me. I'm so excited to meet you. Let's get connected on Facebook and let's share cool ideas. So guess what? Once you send this particular kind of message to a person, you appear different. So chances are very high that this person is going to connect with you and start sending messages. And who knows, you might have gotten a partner from here. So this is another way. Another cool thing is that once you change the keyword, for example, in the last search, we use the keywords make money online. If we just change that keyword a bit, change it into making money online, you'll see that we have been exposed to a whole new set of groups and people here. Now, if we change our keywords to something like online traffic, again, we'll be getting different sets of groups and people. Understand, just by playing with our keywords and the power of graph search, we can get exposed to thousands and millions of targeted people we can start getting connected to. But here's a warning. Do not add more than 20 to 25 people in a single day, because then you know you can be sent to the Facebook jail. Do avoid that. Send it to 15 to 20 people a day and it will be cool. Now, what happens when you reach the stage where you have 500 friends or half? You will see the ripple effect kicking in. People start adding you because they see immediate value in you on the basis of your association with people inside the same circle as your target marketing. Also, because they see you as part of different related groups too. By ripple effect, you'll exponentially start growing your friends. Now, if we do this particular technique in a methodical, systematic manner I showed you, within 90 days, you will be reaching 5,000 friends inside Facebook. This is absolutely awesome. And remember, all of them are from your target market. So you now have 5,000 friends who are from your same niche or interest area. Now, if you remember the diagram, which I shown you in the first video, the first steps are finding and connecting to the right people. So, what I've just shown you in this video are the exact steps on how to find and connect with your target market. By the way, this is completely free stuff. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Remember, if we have to get 5,000 subscribers, you might have to spend $10,000 or more. But with this technique, you can get all of them completely free of cost. Now, similarly, if you are a dog lover, and if we just typed in the keywords dog training, you can get the same kind of communities. So for example, you are a pit bull lover. You'll be getting, again, tons of people who are into pit bull community. You can share ideas with them. How you groom your pit bull, how you train your pit bull, what to feed them. You can share ideas and you can grow your targeted Facebook friends circle. Similarly, in Make Money Online, you can teach people, you can share ideas, you stimulate questions, and you can grow. Now, this is why you see people with tons of Facebook friends requests, because these people are into Facebook marketing, and people see them providing value and helping people with useful content inside their Facebook accounts. That's how they get lots of friend requests in ripple effect all the time. In fact, if you do this, you'll eventually need to clear your Facebook account all the time so you can add fresh people, because you know on Facebook you can only have 5,000 friends. So, I hope this video has become an eye-opener for you. Just get ready for tons of more content. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll just jump into some advanced stuff. We will start with something called bridge marketing, and this will become super duper awesome. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.